What's up, guys? This is part 3 of Let's Make Abound. Yes. Let's continue where we left off. One thing, let's run it real quick. As you can see, we had low frames per second. I didn't catch that last time. And the problem was over here on the private long target time, I have too many zeros. Yeah, just take 1 0 out. Should be 1000. Save it, play it, and it should go up. There we go. Much better, much better. Okay, apologize for the interruptions. It's getting kind of wild now. But yeah, so today we're gonna split things half and half. We're gonna do some little coding, and then we're gonna do some concept art. Yeah, I didn't really think about it yet, but soon we're gonna do some quick concept. Get a feel how the game's gonna be. Definitely gotta try to keep things small, because I have a tendency to get over ambitious. Yeah, and then I get stuck with these big games. But yeah, we're gonna keep this small. So first thing, we're gonna create a new folder. Right, I'm clicking on Expedition Games, a new folder, and we're gonna call it Game State. Okay, for you to know, pretty much if you look at our old game we made, simple game. You know, it's gonna be heavily following the same format. Which, you know, if you know there's another YouTuber that did a lot of tutorials earlier. I followed him, and it works, man. That's what I'm using. You know, so we'll be using the game state and stuff. Same way we did on this game, we're going to use it in this one as well. And then afterwards, you'll see more differences. Yeah, so that's how we're going to start it off. So we're going to create game state folder. We did that. Now we're going to create game state class. So let's go class and call it game state. Yeah, remember there's shortcuts. See, I kind of forgot them. I think you should control N. Oh yeah, there you go. Control N can do these things real quick for you. That's if you got Eclipse. I don't know about NetBeans and the other stuff, but there's some shortcuts instead of going and typing everything in and all that, you know. So yeah, so let's go. And first thing we're gonna do, protected. We're gonna make Game State Manager next, but let's just do this right here. Manager, yes. Now it's not gonna understand what I'm doing here, but that's fine for now. So let's continue. Public abstract. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, they're supposed to be abstract too. And I hope you guys should know what I mean. If you don't know, it's a template. I mean, this is gonna be pretty much setting up our next classes afterwards, where you'll see how it works. And like I said, this whole thing is already done before. Nothing new here. Yeah, the other game, simple game, pretty much had the same setup. So yeah. So basically, you know, this is just repeating what we already done. So these few beginning of the series is going to be quite redundant, because it's pretty much continuing what we already undid. Yeah, so that's the deal. That is the deal, and I'm fine with it, because these things that we need to learn. Okay, public abstract class game state, public abstract init draw. Okay, I got a problem here. But let's continue. Let's make a new class. We'll come back. Game State Manager. Alright, so since that's there, going. Next thing is public static. Yeah, so this is all the same. All the same. Definitely, I want to try a different approach in the future. But for now, it's going to be level 1 state. For first stage. Sorry about that. You know, it's 2:14 a.m. I'm getting messages saying that's crazy. That is crazy, right? Who was up at that time? Alright. Public game state manager. Sorry again. I'm going to have to just remove the vibrate. Oh, got S here. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna be another classes we're gonna make. Menu state and level 1 state. These are gonna be levels. This is gonna be handling the different selections. And yeah, that is what we're gonna be doing so far. And we're not gonna continue too far on this because we don't have, I'm gonna wait till we have those made. But let's continue with a few other methods. Private void load state. Oh, dang it. Keep messing up. State. And let's go to private void unload state. Public void set state state. And I keep saying our public void update. Yeah. So let's save that and find out what's the problem. Game state manager is made now. Wow. My apologies on this. Alright, forgot to put a void. Alright. Obviously what we got here, nothing to show off for, but that's going to be it for now. And we're going to do the next part in concept designing. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, now we're on the concept design of everything. Because first we got the game programming part started. Nothing truly visible, playable yet, but you know, we wanted to work on thinking about visualizing this game. How is it going to turn out to be? You know, what we're going to do. So first thing first, we're going to just start using some colors. We're going to just make something happen. You know, just make something happen. You know what? We're going to change this brush. They're going to use this and make it larger. No, not this brush. Ah, I'm using an eraser. Can you believe that? Let's go, okay, for eraser, let's go back to the actual brush. Okay. Let's make that much bigger. You know, I also have the thing kind of big, but it's alright. We just work with it. Okay. I know it's using a lot of RAM. I'm sorry. But I just want to cover this up really good. Okay. Now we're going to go back to small. Lower the opacity a little bit. Use a little bit lighter colors here. Okay. Yeah, this will be fine. Keep doing this. Alright. We raise the opacity some more. Make it a bit smaller. That's not small enough. Alright, keep going. Let's see. Yeah. But opacity a bit too high for that. I ain't got everything figured out completely on exactly what on earth am I doing, but it's definitely a start. It's trying to get somewhere. Let's make it smaller. I got a little some idea coming. Something coming out. Something a little bit. Okay. That'd be fine. Alright. Now, this could be water. As you know, we got this little light here. Let's change the brush. Get rid of that. Let's go to some more. Okay. A little bigger. Increase the hardness a little bit. Alright, yeah, possibly too high. Let's lower the opacity some more. So we're making some water right now, and it's gonna be the basic. Let's increase opacity, and I think it should be fine. Yeah. All right. We are family. Oh, my brother and me. We are family. Okay. Make this bigger. Lower opacity some more. Yeah, it's looking rough, ain't it? Looking very rough. That's fine. It's a process. It's a process. Things don't happen so soon as you understand. I mean, if you look at this little thing right here, you kind of might get a little bit of what's going on. But this video might be long just because of my slow drawing skills. But I'm trying to speed it up. Get some things going over here. You know, this could be like a potential stage. You know, this is in darkness though, like in a lurid dark area. So yeah, let's talk more about the game. What we aiming for, what we trying to do. You know, so I'm drawing all this stuff here, and so the game is called Abound, and we want basic concept is you're on the bottom and you got to get to the top, you know, and it could be take that for symbolism, you know, for want to improve in life, you know. This could be a symbol like tired of struggling, tired of the hard times, so you wanna do better, you know. You're sick and tired of being on the bottom, you know. And it's not talking about money and stuff. Like, money ain't really. It's not a good way of measuring yourself too much. But what I'm trying to do here is like create a game for the psyche. I guess I don't know if you could say that, but it's basically, you know, just because, you know, I like game with meaning. Even I don't care how simple the game is, at least it's something you can get out of it. You know what I'm saying? I think it's really good. So yeah, so you're on the bottom, you know what I'm saying, and you just want to make it to the top. You want to get out of the current situation you're in, you know, and there's gonna be challenges, trials coming ahead, you know, basic stuff, you know. Things will get real hard, you know, and the way to succeed is the one who, you know, it's not to give up. You know, if you give up, you know, you're not gonna make it. Make it smaller. I really want this part to stick out a little more. Yep. So what do you think about my drawing skills, guys? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Is it okay? I know it's looking very rough, but give me some time on it, and it's gonna look awesome. I'm gonna complete this later. I'll show you the finished product later, but right now, basically, just setting it up. And we're also gonna do quickly right after this. Try to do some quick sketches for character design, how the character is gonna look, and I'm gonna also be doing the sprites. You know, gotta do the sprites. I want a little brighter light up in here. So it's okay, and it's lower opacity. And do some light like that. This is where you're trying to go. You're trying to get out of here. You know what I'm saying? And the funny thing is, this light, it's not the light. It's not the way out. Well, it's the way out, but it's not out of the cave. If you've seen that movie like Journey to the Center of the Earth, it's an old movie now. It's pretty old now. It's like there's different habitats and stuff going on down in that deep cave. We're gonna do the same thing like this. This is gonna be a cave alive with different creatures. There's gonna be plant life, lighting. You know what I'm saying? So it's not just gonna be all dark and gloomy. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be one huge cave that you're trying to get out of, and there's so much stuff going on in here, so much, and you just want to get out. You just gotta get out of here. This ain't the place for you. So let me get some sparkle in the water. And so a little bit on the walls here. It's not too amazing, but it's not bad at all, right? Not bad at all. Okay, I'm gonna keep things going here, and need some more darkness. All right, put that up. We should raise that some more. Is that enough? Things ain't perfect yet, so. Okay, so yeah, this is so far what we're gonna do right now on this part. Of course, very rough, but it just got this nice cave, and just even though you can't see much, player will be traversing in environments like this. Yeah, and right after this, now we're gonna start on character design.